for you guys. Right, so just to emphasize where we're going with this, the trollbox contract, which is a Solana program, uh, manages everything with regards to trollbox creation, creating users, the messages, the rankings, everything is done on a contract. So everything's decentralized, even the images are on IPFS. So there's no database, everything is run off a Solana contract. So the ultimate goal is that we have a communication protocol that is moderated by a ranking system and a reward system, and there's no overseers, there's no actual moderation. It is just controlled by all the mechanics of the contract. So the contract took about 7 months to build. There's a lot of work into that. There's a lot of testing. So we're in the soft release now, and things have been going well. The next phase is the Chrome extension, or the browser extension, because it'll be an extension for multiple browsers. So what that means is, if you go to any website, and which is any website, be it Binance, be it Costco, any website on the internet, you will be able to create a chat facility which is loaded via the Chrome extension into the browser. So as long as you have the Trollbox Chrome extension and sort of you're part of that community, you'll be able to go to any website and there'll be a chat facility, and it's decentralized, so you can chat in a Trollbox on any website. Now, if there isn't a chat facility on your favorite exchange, be it Binance, be it CoinGecko, anything, you can just simply create one, and then it will automatically load in the Chrome extension. So when you visit, let's say, CoinGecko, the chat will automatically load if you've got the Chrome extension. Now I see on Twitter people going, oh, back in the day of Polynex and its Trollbox and BTCE, and Trollboxes were very popular. They were very popular of communication with regards to what was happening in the now. I know we have Discord, Telegram, Twitter, but it's very much after the fact. It was very much promotional. Whereas a Trollbox on site is reactionary to the price changes in the market reality at that given time. So for people who love Trollboxes, such as me, which is why I built this, I started building Trollbox because of Polynex when they shut theirs off. I mean, Polynex in those days had 40,000 active users trading, and most of them were in the Trollbox, and they turned it off because their servers couldn't handle the volume. So they had to sort of try and save some server processing, and turned off the Trollbox, and it was very much went silent of what the pulse was of what was going on in the crypto world. So that's why I started building a Trollbox. The ultimate goal has always been that it's been decentralized and there's sort of no overseers. So this is what we have now. So the contract is live. To create a new Trollbox, so we're on DevNet now. So I'm just showing on DevNet because for now, soft release, I've turned Trollbox creation off until we've gone through the processes of making sure everything's sound. And now we're in the process of creating the Chrome extension, and then all this will be turned on. So let's create a Trollbox for Binance, for example, and their domain is boldbinance.com. Now, obviously, Binance So you can see, or click on this, it says unofficial trollbox for Binance. So you have two options. As a user, you can create an unofficial one. So if you go to Binance, they haven't got a trollbox in the Chrome extension. You can simply create one, and it's user generated. The cost to create all the accounts for a trollbox is probably, and it's around about $1.20 or something like that. So you can literally create one at no cost, and then you'll get a 3% commission. So essentially, you can go to any domain and create a trollbox. So hopefully, it'll be like a little bit of a new frontier. It'll be like, hopefully, there'll be a rush to create trollboxes for different domains when it's turned on. And obviously, the people who get the main domains, be it Dupe or Binance or Radium or whatever it might be, you'll continually and perpetually get a 3% commission based on all the rewards that are given in that trollbox. So it's truly global, it's truly decentralized, it's any language. The text is stored in bits and bytes, so if it's Chinese, if it's Indonesian, whatever the language might be, Russian, any language is stored correctly, so it can be for any domain around the world. Now if I create a trollbox here, there you go, trollbox is created. So I just created a trollbox for Binance.com there, and I'm on DevNet, so let me just refresh this. So on that account, if I see your trollboxes, so I've created a trollbox for Binance.com. As a user, it's an unofficial one. So if we take this, for example, and we imagine, and we have to imagine at the moment because it's not released yet, this being a Chrome extension and this chat facility, when we go to Binance.com, opening up in the browser, because the Chrome extension will essentially open up the chat here, and this will be available in the browser. Now the contract manages everything, so when you go to your dashboard with your trollboxes, you will see your commission, you can mint your commission, and as a user-generated trollbox, you will get a commission, and you will get that perpetually. It will always give you money. So if you're first to create a trollbox for Binance.com, no one else can create one for Binance.com on a user level. But Binance.com themselves can come along and create a trollbox, and they can create an official one. And they have to validate this, and basically they have to have domain ownership. So we say Binance.com. So if they own the domain, so they would upload this file, which I've just downloaded, this text file, and then they would read the file off the domain. If it's successful, so it says file is not successfully read because obviously I haven't uploaded to the domain. If it was successful, then I can create the trollbox, and it would then validate it again on the trollbox server and partially sign it. So we have a countersign where it's checked directly on the server, and then it says yes, the file's there, you own the domain, partially signs it, and then the transaction, basically it's a raw transaction, is created, and the official trollbox is created. Now an official trollbox supersedes a user-generated trollbox. User-generated trollboxes really cost nothing apart from the cost of the account creation, and so users can go and grab the domains, and you will get a 3% commission until an official one supersedes it. And the trollbox will always open in this view on the browser. So if you have the Chrome extension, you can just simply open it, get the relevant chat for the domain. So coming will be, I would like to think a gold rush, but yeah, coming will be a chance to start creating trollboxes on the relevant domains that you choose. And so through the Chrome extension, you'll also be able to create the trollboxes too. So if you went to Binance.com, didn't have trollbox, you can simply go create trollbox, and one will be available. So this is globally distributed. It's moderated by the contract. There is no, once you create a trollbox, you own it, and no one else can tamper with it. You own it. You get the commission. No one else can create a user-generated trollbox. As soon as you own the domain, you own it, and you'll get the commissions for that domain. So hopefully that's clear, and it kind of explains where we're heading, and it shows how easy it is to create a trollbox.